What's up, YouTube? Good morning, evening, night, whatever time you're watching this. I'm about to brush my teeth. I have to have some portable water, isn't it? I have to. But I want to give a big thanks to all the new subscribers and for people that's watching the vlogs. Very epic stuff. Stay tuned for more and let me know what you guys want to see in the vlog. Right now I'm trying to save up for a drone. I want to get a drone so I can get like some nice like aerial shots and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm at this shipper right now. I'm about to brush my teeth right outside the truck. So they're unloading me right now. Alright guys, so I just got done unloading. So I'm walking over to the office right now to go get the bill of lading. Open up. Alright, so mission accomplished. So now, next load. Alright, so guys, right now I'm doing some paperwork. I got this fancy clipboard, calculator on top. So I have to do one of these. And I have to put in empty call every time I drop off a trailer. Fun paperwork. Alright, so I was in Vegas yesterday. It was nice. Good food. Woo! Should have stepped out. But it was a nice quick stay in Vegas. I have to go close the trailer doors. See what I'm saying? Mad move, trailer door, watch it, empty.
Because Rio is the most popular.
Yeah.
But the sound.
Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open here. Cold as ice cream, cold.
Alright guys, so I just got to this shipper. And I just backed in here, about to drop off this trailer. I'm taking it like up to Northern California, about 9-10 hour drive. So my gloves I keep in here. About to unhook the trailer, pull out my release handle, and wind it up. You see me? I'm at move.
Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, OPN.
Alright guys, I just stopped at this truck stop because I gotta weigh the load. It's a Big Red in the background. That's my baby right there, Big Red. I'm at a petrol truck stop and they have a Burger King here. I'm gonna try to use the bathroom and then try the sandwich that Burger King have, the Impossible Whopper with no meat. Alright vlog, so after an hour and about 40 minutes it took me to weigh the truck. Yo, I was so pissed off. But I'm finally on my way. I got about 8 hours and 55 minutes left to go. That's about 551 miles. I'm right by Los Angeles, whatever it's called. Right by like Los Angeles area. Passing it right now. But yeah, you don't know. Tune in, stay tuned. I'm at home. Alright vlog, so I'm taking my 30-minute break right now and making something to eat. But it's views like this that make it be wild being a truck driver. Watch this. You see how nice that is?
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM.
Alright guys, so I made it. Now it's time to drop this trailer. See? Mud move, truck. Well, the iPhone quality is horrible in the night, yo. But yeah, that's the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, and share.